Greetings, my friends, and welcome to DeepShine on beads today. You know, you can use your DeepShine on lots of different things. I like it for curved surfaces because it doesn't run or drip, and that's the reason I had it formulated. It's thick enough to stay where you put it, but not so thick that it pulls up, and that's handy for curved items like these. So it doesn't have to be jewelry. It can be home decor, all kinds of different things. And when you have uneven surfaces and varied surfaces, you're going to want something like this too. So you just take a little bit. It's kind of just like a big drop. I just turn the bottle that way and back the other way, and that little drip falls in and I don't have to clean it up. Comes with a brush and the cups. So I've got that big drop in there, and that's going to do all the beads that you'll see at the end. So I just dip it in. I avoid wiping it on the edge too much of the cup. It goes on smoother if it's just a nice film on the brush. You just spin it around. Make sure you get the top, do the bottom. Don't get any of it on that toothpick though, because it'll bond it to the toothpick. It's just really hardcore. It's not kidding around. Once it's on there forever. It's waterproof, and it does not rub off. And what I really like about it is it doesn't change color. I've had some real grief with some resins, and this one comes with a kind of a lavender tint to it, and it really keeps the product from yellowing, so I'm happy with that. So you do all your beads. I made myself that little holder with some scrap clay and put it inside. You see I've got the tiny Pandora curing deck there so that I can remove the curing deck that's in there that comes with the light. And they come out glassy like that, just like super hard and glassy. The shine remains even after they're cured. So you can get it in this bundle with other adhesives for gemstones and stuff. You can get it just by itself with the deck it comes in, or with my curing deck from tinypandora.com.